Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you um, how to hide the story and live from anyone on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram and then go to your profile icon, then click on these three lines here, and next here we find this hide story and live. So click hide story and live from. As you see here, select anyone you want on this list and click done, and that's how to hide story and live from anyone you want on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.